Yeah, Steve Rogers, please. Yeah, Steve. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, this is Geojerry's. Yeah, from Geojerry's Adventures. Uh-huh. Yeah, I had the yeah, I had the Infinity Gauntlet for a bit, but yeah, I think our friend Thanos got it back because it disappeared. Yeah. So anyway, I might need your assistance because there's this geocache I'm looking for and I'm not able to find it. Oh, you do have something to give me some assistance. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Yep. Cool. Okay. It's on its way? Oh, sweet. Okay. All right, I'll catch you later. Bye. Oh yeah, now I'm ready. Let's go find some geocaches now because I have my new power. Power of Captain America. That's right, 'cause that's who Steve Rogers is Captain America. So now it's time to go out and look for some geocaches. Let's do this. Just last week, I had a super sprained ankle. I wouldn't have been able to make it down there. Oh, thank goodness it's getting better. Guardrail cache. Only problem is, it's a puzzle cache. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this puzzle and let you see what it is, but it's a puzzle cache. Yeah! We solved the puzzle! Woo! And there's the log! Yes! Yes!
Captain America! Is that geocache that's down there? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. This is it! I think I found Pluto. Let's see if we can find this geocache. And there it is! We found it! Our lovely little geocache. We'll sign this. We'll be at Pluto. Thank you, Captain America. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the caching trail. See ya.